Hello everyone, JT9, and look what I have a hold of here. This is the king of all mustache tools. You guys, this is the Tomahawk by SavvyJack Wax. And this is a relatively new tool that is on the market. It is available on their website, SavvyJackWax.com, and I can even save you some money on that. So let me get this out of the way real quick, you guys. So if this is the first time you stopped by my channel, so what I'm doing is I am doing product reviews, really beard product reviews, tools, and combs and oils, butters, that type of thing. And as I'm growing out my beard, so I've been growing this out for about 8 months now, and along the way I'm testing things and trying different products and basically just giving you my opinion of the products and the companies of what I'm messing with and what I'm doing with. So if you like this content and want to watch more of what I'm doing and what I got coming, I would appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, so let's get back to the Tomahawk. So, oh man, this company, SavvyJack Wax, I don't know, maybe 3 months ago. So this is actually a prototype. So the one that is out on the market is a little bit different, not a whole lot different, but so I've been working with Mike on this, and I'll be honest with you, not a whole lot. Mike sent this to me, told me to try it out, see what I thought. We emailed back and forth a few times, and I made a couple suggestions, and I believe there were 3 or 4 other guys that also was in on this and gave their opinions. And if I can find those, I'll put them down below in the description and just do a little call out to those guys too. So so yeah, along the way, the owner, Mike at SavvyJack, sent out I don't know how many of these and we gave our opinion, and he did some tweaking along the way, and he's come out with, and what I've done is I've actually printed this out because, man, you guys, this is such a cool company and a cool product that I would really like to give it justice here. So let me just show you, and again, this is off of their website. SavvyJack is excellent on educating the customer, which I always praise that company on. It's great. This is just a snippet that I took off of their website just to show you, you know, basically that's what this is here, but it's showing the angle and the measurements and so forth. But that just goes to the detail that these guys do on this. It's awesome. So you guys, this is a hand-turned black walnut and black cherry on the handle here. And the combs and brushes, they're handcrafted hard maple. And that's these guys. It's durable. Hard maple, it's for durability, basically. But yeah, you guys, it's all hand done. So each one that is ordered is singly done, which is cool. It's by one craftsman over at SavvyJack, and I think it's an awesome tool. So let me just show you a little bit about this. And you guys, let me stop here just for a second. I want to show you guys how I use this and so forth. But I want to say something about this company and the owner, Mike. This is a veteran-owned company, and Mike, I don't know if I've ever said it, and I apologize for that, but man, thank you for your service. If you don't hear that enough, I apologize for that. We should all be thanking the vets. Mike, I thank you for your service, man. That's great, and I'm supporting you. And you guys, let's support a veteran-owned American company, and a craftsman at that. So if you haven't checked them out before, I love their products. I talk a lot about SavvyJack just because, man, I found a company that just look at their website. It's the details and the education, and then you guys, and the customer service is amazing. And I mean, the quick shipping, you guys. Right now, and like I said, I can save money. I can save you guys want to buy anything on there, I get a discount code. I'll tell you what that is in just a minute. That code does nothing for me. I don't get paid from that or anything like that. It is just a code that I can express my feelings on a product that I really, really like. And Mike, the owner, you know, is gonna allow me to offer a 10% discount. So you guys, it's not a lot of money. I'm not saving you a lot, but hey, it's free shipping too. Can't say that on a lot of companies. So the quality on this, so combs. And I got another comb over here that's out of reach, and you guys, and their mustache wax. It's the bomb. It's great. I love it. I use it all the time. I have it in my mustache right now. And their oil line, I use their oil line too. It's awesome. It's new. I'm doing the citrus tonight. It's a citrus grove. It's really nice. So let me get back on this. Is how I'm doing this. Again, you guys, this is the prototype. I've had it for about 3 months. It hasn't changed a whole lot. So what I'm doing is I'm taking just a little tab of wax and I'm putting it on this side of my mustache, and then again over here. And then I might take a little bit extra because it's, you know, it's getting long, and I'll put some on the ends like this. And then I'm just gonna, that fine tooth comb, I'm just gonna comb through, and I'm gonna distribute the wax. And then a lot of times I'll just flip this over. You guys, this is boar's hair. So you got a boar's hair brush, and you guys, I find on that tends to take the flyaways in my mustache and help lay that down. I try to wear my mustache, I wear wax every day, lightly waxed, but I do it to keep it out of my mouth and to keep it laid down and look somewhat not too crazy. And the wax does it. And you guys, this is awesome. Look at this here. So the tip on this is designed, it has polyurethane on it. This one does not, just because it's the prototype, but it has polyurethane on it. And then you take a little bit of wax if you're into doing your curls. Take a little bit of the wax and put on there. And then with your wax in here, you can do a tight curl. And you guys, I've tried it. It works. It works very well. So that's actually really cool. You guys, this can be used, like I said, I use this every day, especially in the morning. I don't really, man, I'm still working from home, but I don't carry it with me, but I do this as my morning routine, and I will use the boar's brush. And then again, you guys, I use it here. I cover up a spot here with this hair below my lip, and it works great for that. I'll put a little bit of wax in there, and then I can style how I want that to be. And you know, if you have bushy eyebrows, you can get in there and do that. So you guys, I think it is the king of all mustache tools. And I believe it's $25 free shipping. I can save you 10% on that with a discount code when you check out, and it is all caps JTNINE10 JT910. And that, again, that's all caps, you guys, JTNINE10. I will have that in the description also. So hey, if you're just starting out and you just starting to get a mustache, man, here's the tool. If you've had a mustache for 20 years and it's a big mustache, you guys, this tool is freaking awesome. I have to say, yes, I didn't have a whole lot to do with it, but I was in on it. I watched the development, and it couldn't be from a better company, you guys, than SavvyJack Wax. So hey, hit them up, SavvyJackWax.com, and go get you one of the best mustache tools there is. Thanks, guys. See you around.